Want to feel better with just one small change? Start your day with lemon water. It's easy to do and can make a big difference in how you feel. This simple drink can help your body in many ways. Many people notice positive changes after adding lemon water to their morning routine. This essay will explain the benefits in detail. Get ready to learn how this easy habit can improve your well-being. A good morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. It helps you wake up and feel ready for what's ahead. When you start your day with healthy choices, you are more likely to make healthy choices throughout the day. Drinking lemon water is a simple but powerful addition to your morning. It's a great way to hydrate your body after sleep. This is important because our bodies lose water during the night. When you don't drink enough water, you can experience negative effects. Dehydration can lead to headaches, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Your skin can become dry and your digestion can slow down. In the long term, chronic dehydration can contribute to more serious health problems. These include kidney stones and urinary tract infections. That's why it's so crucial to stay hydrated throughout the day. Section 4. Lemon water to the rescue. Lemon water is a great way to combat dehydration and improve your health. It's a simple yet powerful drink that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, an important antioxidant. This essential nutrient helps to strengthen your immune system and keep you feeling your best. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can lead to various health issues. In addition to vitamin C, lemons contain other beneficial compounds such as flavonoids and limonene. These natural substances have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These compounds can aid digestion, boost your immune system, and even freshen your breath. Drinking lemon water can help to stimulate the production of digestive juices, making it easier for your body to break down food. Drinking lemon water regularly can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. It can help to keep you hydrated, support your immune system, and provide a refreshing start to your day. So why not give it a try and see the benefits for yourself? Section 5. A transformation in a glass. Many people report feeling a significant difference after incorporating lemon water into their daily routine. This simple yet powerful habit can have a profound impact on overall well-being. They feel more energized and alert throughout the day. The natural electrolytes and vitamins in lemon water help to kickstart the body's metabolism and provide a refreshing boost of energy. Their digestion improves and they experience fewer digestive discomforts. Lemon water acts as a gentle detoxifier, aiding in the elimination of toxins and promoting a healthy digestive system. Some even notice positive changes in their skin. The antioxidants in lemons help to combat free radicals, leading to clearer and more radiant skin. The vitamin C in lemons helps to boost collagen production, which can lead to a more youthful and radiant complexion. Regular consumption of lemon water can also help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. These are just a few of the many ways lemon water can transform your health. From improved energy levels and digestion to clearer skin and a more youthful appearance, the benefits are numerous and well worth incorporating into your daily routine. Section 6. Your journey to a healthier you. Embarking on a journey towards better health doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. Sometimes the smallest changes can make the biggest difference. Starting your day with lemon water is a simple change that can have a big impact. This easy habit can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. It's an easy and delicious way to hydrate your body, ensuring you start your day feeling refreshed and energized. Hydration is key to maintaining overall health and well-being. Boost your vitamin C intake, which is essential for a strong immune system, healthy skin, and overall vitality. Lemons are packed with antioxidants that help fight off free radicals, and enjoy a range of health benefits, from improved digestion to better skin health. Lemon water can also aid in weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. Try adding this refreshing drink to your morning routine and see the difference for yourself. Consistency is key, so make it a daily habit and observe the positive changes over time. Listen to your body and pay attention to how you feel. Keep a journal to track your progress and note any improvements in your energy levels, digestion, and overall mood. You may be surprised at the positive changes you experience by simply incorporating lemon water into your day. It's a small step that can lead to significant health benefits. Cheers to a healthier and happier you. Remember, Every journey begins with a single step, and adding lemon water to your routine is a great way to start. Here's to your health and happiness.